Okay, as you can see, I'm busy painting the tank badges. I'm not going to be rechroming them. The metal and everything is still in very good condition, but the paint, as you'll see, this is what they look like. The paint was really worn, and this is one that I recently completed. It's not 100% complete, but it's there. Went down to the hobby shop, got myself a Tamiya very fine detailing brush. Tamiya paints, model paints, using gold leaf and gloss black. These are excellent paints. Even the Humbrol paint will work well. Let me go ahead and do a few strokes on this one here so you can have a look. Okay, I'm using a really neat magnifying glass. It's got these LED lights on them. It's very good for detailed work. Here we go. Just show you a couple. I'm not going to do too much. You come in behind the magnifying glass. And you see the gold leaf really makes the work pop. It's really good. You don't want too much paint on the brush. You take just a little bit, and it spreads really well. And if you have to, then do 2 coats. You can drop in a blob like that and it spreads really nicely on these badges because they've got this rim, and then you can spread that blob around quite nicely. And this fine detailed brush really gets into all the little nooks and crannies. And oops. Yeah. And black is done very much the same way. Wash your we're using enamel paints here, enamel model paints. So you're going to wash your brush and thinners. Make sure it's squeaky clean when you're going to change over. And that's that. You'll see it's going to get there really nicely. You come in behind the magnifying glass